Hi, I'm Jess. To help you understand the background of this Kaizen, I'll show you how we encountered the problem and how we came up with a solution to reduce processing time, improve quality, and achieve zero errors. Bank charges are automatically posted in SAP to account 79095 under the GSI cost center. For example, the entry shown was posted to account 79095 with GSI cost center 592004. We received requests on March 3 for 1,793 line items across 12 company codes that needs to be reposted from GSI cost center to sales cost center, and it needed to be completed by March 4. Now, I will demonstrate how we perform reposting in accordance with the SOP. First, open Tcode F-04 and fill in the required details such as document date, document type, company code, currency, translation date. This needs to be entered manually. The first leg of the posting will be 50 to 790.95 using the same details as the original posting. The second leg is for the correction, 40, 790.95 with the correct cost center. After confirming that all details are correct, save the posting and attach the necessary documents. This process takes at least 1 minute per line item, and with 1,793 line items, it would take around 29.80 hours to complete. And this is where the problem arises.
Yes, sure, it's frustrating, but that's before she discovered your amazing service.
Fortunately, we have created a CSV file that generates the same output as the manual posting, but with significantly less time required and 100% accuracy. For CSV file, download all items for one company code and paste them into Excel, which will automatically generate the posting. Unlike manual posting, the CSV file can create multiple document dates with different document numbers. This means we can post one company code with up to 100 document dates in a single process, wherein in manual posting, having 100 document dates would require 100 separate postings. As a result, we were able to implement a solution that efficiently handles our 9,259 line items. Thank you.
Look how happy Jane is now.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Created using Powtoon.